Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is another Boxycharm video. Today's video is March Boxycharm. Yes, this video is a little past overdue, so I'm super excited for today. Boxycharm, if you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly beauty box subscription that you pay $25 a month and you get over $125 worth in product. Normally come 5 full-size products, different brands, which is amazing. They have really amazing brands here, and they also have box premium and box locks and box pop-up, which is a quarter box. So when you open your box, the first thing you get here is your little card here that display all the products on the back. And this month box is lucky, Boxycharm lucky. Yes, feeling lucky. So let's start. First, I have to say I'm a little bit disappointed because this month box come missing one of my products, even though thank God it was not one of the products that I was like really looking forward about. I really was looking forward to the banana cream, yes, and for the rose satin spray. That was the two things that I was looking forward to. But the thing that's missing in my box is the last product here on the box. That is the Beauty Crop Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. That didn't come. I just have 4 products in the box. I don't know why, but whatever. Alright, so let's start. We're going to be trying on some of the products, but first I'm just gonna tell you guys a little bit about all the products, and when I'm done we jump into trying some of these products. Alright, so the first thing here in this March Boxycharm is Lemon Crime Venice 3 volume 3 eyeshadow palette, and that's what the eyeshadow palette look like. This eyeshadow palette is so beautiful. Let's just take a minute and appreciate this gorgeous packaging, all the ornate work around. It's really beautiful, even though I found the packaging a little bit bulky, but you know, could it be a little, you know, smaller since it's only for eyeshadow, but it's okay. So you have a nice mirror here. That's something that I appreciate in a good palette, is a nice mirror. You know, nothing worse than you have a palette without a mirror. And here you have beautiful shade. You have like, I'm gonna link the description of this video, the info about Boxycharm and how you can sign up if you like, and if you don't, you don't have to. So let's dig into this box so this video don't get so long. So first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you so much to my subscribers. Love you guys coming back. Thank you for coming back and supporting me. So let's dig into this box because I'm super excited. And today, with some of the products that come in this box, I created these kind of like some Patrick Day inspired green look. 3 matte shades, and you have 5 shimmery shades, which is very beautiful. And today we're trying some of the pink shades, but these shades are very beautiful and very pigmented. I just want to swatch this purple here because I didn't use it, but it looks so beautiful and I think deserved a swatch. And then let's swatch also this color here is Beam. The purple one is Paradise, for somebody that doesn't know. Next one is a beautiful sheen called Beam. And let's watch the heavily color too. Ooh, this is beautiful. It's a very beautiful color. Wow, they actually have such a pretty colors here. So let's see Beloved. Mauve color. Very beautiful. And the shadows are very pigmented on this palette. And like I say, this is the Venice volume 3. This palette is filled with rapturous lilac, rose gold, mauve, and earthly brown shades. The ultra buttery formula sweeps on rich pigmented color that doesn't fade out. Okay. The dreaming lavender and rose gold box is graced with Venus herself. Oh, this is so pretty. This is really beautiful packaging. And this palette retails for $38. So yeah, I'm gonna put this down for now, but we're going to be using, and the shades are stunning. So the next product here is the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizing Cream, calming and hydrating. I was so looking forward for this. I'm gonna open it because it's so pretty, the packaging, so you guys can see how gorgeous it is. That's how pretty it is. Shooting lightweight moisturizer that seal in hydration without clogging pores. It's a not comedogenic and not actogenic, making it especially good for sensitive skin. Blend with banana, chia seed, magnesium, turmeric, and cica. It's your recipe for hydrated, healthy looking skin. That's really amazing. And this retails for $39, and I tried today, and this smells amazing and feels really amazing on the skin too. Alright, and this was product number 2, and product number 3 is Mave Rose Water Setting Spray. Set your intention and your makeup with this aura lifting antioxidant packet rose water setting spray. Mist all over in a finished look. Mist all over your finished look. Lock it down, prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. Really? This really? Alright, I'm gonna put this to the test, but this is amazing. Wow. And this setting spray retail for $22. We're gonna try it. We're gonna use it today, and it feels really, really nice on the skin. So, yep. And the next thing here is Kaba Cosmetic. I think it's Kaba Cosmetic. I don't know if it's Kaba or it's Kaba Cosmetic Hydrating Lip Oil. Say goodbye to dry and thirsty. Hello to juicy hydrated lips, which your lips will love this non-sticky instantaneous burst of hydration that comes in 6 different tints. Swipe the formula on a comfortable juicy lips all day long. I have a little bit today on the top of my lipstick, and this really feels amazing. And this lip oil retails for $20, and this really is amazing. I really like this. Really love it. Definitely gonna be enjoying this. And the last but not least product here would be the Beauty Cropped Avocado Hydrating Eye Mask. Alright, and so now before this video gets so long, let's try some of this product, and that's all for this month's Boxycharm. Going to be the Glow Recipe Banana Souffle Moisturizer Cream. It smells really nice. It smells like a banana pudding. Really cute little jar. So the skin looks beautiful and hydrated. Ooh. And this retails for $20, and the cream retails for $39. Let's try this lip oil. This smells so good. Rum punch. Rum punch, huh? Today is St. Day, so rum is the way to go. Alright, so I'm gonna put this down, and so I'm just gonna go out of camera now to do my makeup, and I come back for I should try the next product here. That's going to be the Venice palette and the rose water setting spray, since we don't have no skincare left in here, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, so let's work on this eye look using the Lime and Crime Venice 3 palette, and this palette is so beautiful. The packaging is stunning. Now we're just going to pat all over the lid the shade here called Rapture. It's a beautiful mauve kind of shade, this one here. Back to okay. The eyeshadow performs really beautiful on Bliss. It's this pink shade here, and I'm just going to create a little transition shade. The pigment on this eyeshadow is amazing. They are very pigmented. Even the lighter shade, it's
very good shade on the eye.
so now that we can create this pink transition, I'm gonna go in with some green shade because today is St. Patrick's Day. So now I'm going to get a little bit of this shade here called Beam. This pretty one here. That's all. So this rose water setting spray was the last product in March Boxycharm. So this completes this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.